Hello everyone and welcome back my channel. The 2026 Chevrolet G-Series van returns with a modern twist on a classic American icon, reimagined to meet today's needs. This full-size van combines utility, durability, and updated technology to serve businesses, families, and enthusiasts alike. The new generation G-Series van has undergone a full redesign featuring bold muscular lines, a square off stance, and a wider track for enhanced stability. The front fascia adopts a clean modern look with LED matrix headlamps, integrated turn signals, and Chevrolet's signature horizontal grille treatment. Hood has been slightly raised to offer better frontal crash protection, while the wraparound windshield improves visibility and aerodynamics. Large side mirrors with blind spot alerts and optional 360-degree camera coverage improve driver awareness. The side panels offer multiple configuration options, including solid metal panels for cargo versions or large sliding windows for passenger variants. The van comes in standard wheelbase and extended versions with dual rear doors and an optional power sliding side door. New alloy wheel options and rugged all-terrain tires are available on the trail package, which is designed for fleet and off-road needs. Inside the 2026 G-Series van, Chevrolet focused on modularity, comfort, and connectivity. The dashboard is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment screen running the latest G Ultra system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G Wi-Fi are standard. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads are integrated into the front and rear cabin. There are 3 interior configurations available: cargo, passenger, and executive. The cargo version offers a flat load floor with over 300 cubic feet of cargo space and factory mounting points for shelves, tool racks, and tie-downs. The passenger version can seat up to 15, with individual climate zones, cup holders, and USB ports for all rows. The executive trim transforms the van into a mobile lounge or office, with captain's chairs, fold-out work tables, ambient lighting, and optional rear seat entertainment screens. Chevrolet includes the new active acoustic insulation in the cabin, reducing outside noise. Significantly improved materials such as soft touch vinyl, upgraded synthetic leathers, and durable fabric options enhance comfort across trims. Powertrain options include a standard 3.6-liter V6 engine with 310 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more capability, a 5.3-liter V8 engine is available, delivering 385 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque. Chevrolet has also introduced a plug-in hybrid version called the E-Flex G-Van, which combines a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and 24 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Total system output is 340 horsepower and allows for up to 40 miles of all-electric range on a full charge. The E-Flex system enables seamless transitions between gas and electric power, ideal for urban deliveries or